Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Firstly, happy new year to you. I hope you've had a great start to the new year and you enjoyed whatever it was that you did in celebrating and bringing the new year in. Today I just wanted to have a quick chat with you about my channel and the plans that I have for the year ahead. So in terms of uploads, I know I haven't been consistent on my channel, and you know, some of you have said to me that you really enjoy my videos, you find them beneficial, but you just wish that I would upload more often. And you know what, I do. There are times when I'm like, you know, I wish I could, but sometimes life gets in the way, things get busy. But I am going to make more of a conscious effort to kind of structure my time so I can try and get more videos out for you. So yeah, that is something I'm definitely working on this year. Working with brands, that's something that I am hoping to do more of this year as well. And some of the you know, the brands I work with may be kind of sponsored videos, some may not be sponsored videos, but whether they are or they're not, I'll always try to be, you know, fair and honest about my feedback on that. But I also think that working with brands is a good opportunity because it introduces you guys to new products. I get to try new products which I can share with you guys to try out, and also it helps to provide more, you know, new and fresh content to my channel. So yeah, that's something that I will be pursuing this year as well. And last but not least, new content. I just want to know what you guys want to see on my channel. What can I help you with? In my last video I did put in the comments box, you know, to let me know what you want to see, and some of you have commented and I have made a note of that. But if you can also comment in this video if you've got any ideas, anything you want to see, whether it's more hair tutorials, whether it's product reviews, whether it's first impression videos or anything else, do comment below and let me know, because then that way I can see that you guys you know, have things that you want me to produce, and then that kind of motivates me to kind of produce more content for you. I do already have a list of videos that I really want to put out this year, but also if you can comment below to add to that list, that would be great, so I can kind of continue helping you guys on your hair journeys. As I said, you know, I do like it when I hear that, you know, my videos are helping you guys on your hair journeys. So yeah, do let me know. Okay guys, so that is it. I just want to say a massive thank you to all of you, my new and old subscribers that have been commenting and liking my videos and interacting with me. You know, it's just nice to know that you're benefiting from what I'm doing, and I am here to help you with your hair journeys. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and also make sure that you click the bell so you're notified when I upload a video, because YouTube is always changing. So yeah, I just want to make sure that you're aware or alerted for when a video goes up. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.